Welcome, brewers and lab nerds. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your pH meter and how to take very good care of it. So the problem with a pH meter is that it needs to be calibrated quite often. This one wants to be calibrated, I think, every 2 weeks. Other pH meters are every week, every month. So just look at your specific one and see when it's due. Anyway, mine says calibration due right now. And since I make beer, I'm going to be between a pH of 3 and 7 at all times. So those are the calibration solutions that I'll be using. And mine is a HANA instrument, and Edge is a multi-display. I can put in different probes. So the 7.01 pH solution that I'm using is called HI 8007. The 3.0 buffer solution is called HI 5003. I have put 2 glasses of the 7 and 2 glasses of the 3 so that I can rinse in one and stir in the other. So I'm going to take my probe now, wipe it off from the storage solution, put it into the rinse glass, and then quickly go over to the stir glass. I will be stirring here until your meter is happy with it. So first hit calibrate. It's asking for the 7.01 and it says wait. So we're stirring and just waiting. Once it's done, it's important to leave it in the solution as you confirm. So now it says confirm here. I'll go ahead and click confirm. Now it's asking for the next solution, which is 3.0. So first take it out, then wipe it off, rinse it in one solution, and then go over to the 3.0 calibration solution. By doing this, you're minimizing the amount of transfer of the 7.01 solution into the 3.0 solution. Okay, now it says confirm. I'll go ahead and click confirm. Now it's asking for a pH of 10.01. I'm never going to use that calibration, so that's not going to be for me. So I'm done now. I'm just going to hit calibrate, and it will say save. So read your instructions, but this rinsing procedure here by using 4 glasses is a very good idea. All right, on to some other good solutions or methods for keeping your meter as long as possible. One thing you want to do is use a cleaning solution, an electrode cleaning solution. Mine is called HI 7061. And after every brew day, I will dip or let this meter or probe soak in that solution just to dissolve anything that's on it. Then I'll wipe it off and put it into a storage solution. I've got 2 different storage solutions here. The one that came from HANA is called HI 70300S. And I have another one from Milwaukee. It's called MA9015. And then you'll see my meter. Now my probe comes with a cap and has a line up to here. So I just go ahead and fill that cap to that line so that the electrode does not dry out. If it dries out, you will decrease the life expectancy of your probe. All right, that is the storage solution. Other things you want to do to take care of your probe is to make sure you have enough of the electrolyte solution in it. If it's a fillable one like this one, it has a cap there. You use a small pipette, suck some of this up, and make sure it's completely full. Other things is when you're actually using the pH meter with the probe, is to cool your sample down to room temperature before measuring it. This pH meter has an automatic temperature compensating unit built into it. However, the actual pH of the wort will change from when it's hot to when it's cold. So even though it's compensating for it, you will actually have 2 different measurements at the hot temperature and the cold temperature. That's one reason you're not getting accurate measurements of wort. Water, you will be fine. It will be the same pH of both. However, you're also decreasing the life expectancy of your probe by dipping it in really hot solutions. So don't do that. Cool it down to room temperature before you take your measurements. And you can do that by as easily as taking one of those martini shakers or drink shakers. They're very thin metal. So I normally take a small sample, put it in one of those martini shakers, and then put that in a water bath. A cold water bath, or even better, an ice bath. You'll see that it will cool down extremely quick. We're talking about maybe 3-4 minutes and you'll be ready to take your pH samples. So, okay, that's it for now. Cheers.